Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove white background in Photoshop. So guys, the first thing that you will do is go to select and go to all. And from here, just go to edit and go for copy. And once you have done that, just simply click on this icon over here or simply add a new layer. And now just simply go for this background and simply delete it. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and right click on this icon over here or the gradient tool. And from here, go to paint bucket tool. And from here, just click on this and make sure it is on color black and click on OK. And from here, just fill in the layer with the color black. And now just simply click on this. And now just simply press on your keyboard Alt and click on the white one. And once you have done that, just simply go to edit and go for paste. And now just simply go to image and go to adjustments. And now from here, just go for invert. And now just simply go back over here. And after that, you'll be able to make a transparent. Just simply go for select and deselect. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.